A new study has made a shocking revelation about electric eels. Researchers say the electrical zaps of these freshwater creatures are able to transform the DNA of animals around them, news.com has learned. Researchers from Nagoya University in Japan found electric eels can release enough electricity to genetically modify small fish larvae. They published their findings on Monday, December 4, in the journal Peerage Life and Environment. An electric eel can release up to 860 volts, making it the largest electricity-producing creature on the planet, according to the study. Their electrical impulses are strong enough to power machines. Electric eels have a specific tissue named electric organ to generate high-voltage discharge, a co-author on the study, assistant professor in biotechnology at Nagoya University, Atsuo Ida, told Newsweek. The study centered around a gene delivery technique called electroporation. Scientists use this process to zap temporary pores into cell membranes that allow molecules like DNA or proteins to get in. Researchers from Nagoya suspected electroporation may be found outside of laboratory walls. I thought electroporation might happen in nature, Ida said in a statement released by Nagoya University. Knowing that cells can also incorporate DNA fragments found in water, known as environmental DNA, researchers thought electricity may alter the cells of nearby organisms in natural bodies of water. I realized that electric eels in the Amazon River could well act as a power source, organisms living in the surrounding area could act as recipient cells, and environmental DNA fragments released into the water would become foreign genes, causing genetic recombination in the surrounding organisms because of electric discharge, Ida continued. To test this hypothesis, scientists exposed young zebrafish to a DNA solution that glowed brightly to indicate if the new DNA was absorbed by the animal. They then introduced an electric eel into the environment and lured it to a feeder that would cause it to release an electrical discharge. According to the study, the researchers discovered that 5% of the fish larvae showed evidence of gene transfer. This indicates that the discharge from the electric eel promoted gene transfer to the cells, even though eels have different shapes of pulse and unstable voltage compared to machines usually used in electroporation, Ida said. Electric eels and other organisms that generate electricity could affect genetic modification in nature. Ida said he believed the team's findings would pave the way for further studies in electric field research in living organisms, though he said he believed the impacts of electricity on Earth's creatures are beyond what conventional wisdom can understand.